Plato was a Greek philosopher who was one of the most influential figures in the history of philosophy. His ideas had a significant influence on the Hellenistic schools of philosophy, which came shortly after him. These are the Stoics, the Epicureans, the Cynics, Neoplatonists, and these flourished during the Hellenistic period of ancient Greece and the Near East. One of the main ways in which Plato influenced the Hellenistic schools of philosophy was through his theory of forms. According to Plato, the world we see around us is not the true, ultimate reality, but rather it's a mere shadow or an imitation of the true reality, which he calls the world of forms. He believed that the forms are eternal, perfect, unchanging, and that they are the ultimate objects of knowledge. Plato's theory of forms had a significant influence on the Hellenistic school of Neoplatonism, which emerged in the 3rd century AD. Neoplatonists, who were influenced by Plato's thought, argued that the ultimate reality is a single, transcendent, unknowable one, which is the source of all being, and it's beyond the material world. And they believe that individuals can attain knowledge of the one through contemplation and mystical experience, and that this knowledge is the highest form of understanding. For more information on that, you can check out my video on Neoplatonism. Plato's ideas also influenced the school of Epicureanism, which was founded by the philosopher Epicurus in the 3rd century BC. Epicureans argued that the ultimate goal of life is to achieve pleasure and to avoid pain, and that individuals should strive to live in a way that maximizes pleasure and minimizes suffering. While Epicureans rejected Plato's theory of forms, they're influenced by Plato's emphasis on the importance of living a virtuous and rational life. Plato's ideas also had an influence on the school of Stoicism, which was founded by the philosopher Zeno in around 3rd century BC. Stoics believed that individuals should strive to live in accordance with reason and virtue, and that they should strive to be indifferent to external circumstances that are beyond their control. Stoics actually used the life and virtues of Socrates, whom Plato wrote exclusively about, as a model for many of their ideas. The Cynic school used Socrates as an example as well. Overall, Plato had a significant influence on the Hellenistic schools of philosophy, which flourished during the Hellenistic period of Greece and in the Near East. I don't think any of these Hellenistic schools would be what they were if not for Plato and Socrates before him.